Hey everybody, I'm very excited to get my new drill. This company sent me a 12 volt cordless drill, and one of the coolest features, I mean there are many cool features, but one of the cooler features is it's pink. It's so girly. So for you women that like to do projects around the house, here you go. You can identify it as yours. It won't get confused with your husband's. So there it is. It's pretty solid, but not too heavyweight. It's got a good amount of power with some of the torque options between 1 and 25 there. And also you have 1 and 2 for giving like more power. I'll look at the instructions real quick, but I just wanted to show you this item. Let's see. And what else did they send? No, they sent a charging. This is probably the charging cable. Oh, cool. And then they sent, very cool. They sent an extender along with some drill bits. There you have some drill bits here. 1/8, 5, 30 11/64, 3/16, and 1/4 inch. Oopsie, that wasn't good. And then these drill bits are the same. I'm gonna look into seeing if one is like a titanium. It is a different color, so it might be a higher strength. I'll find that out. And all the different bits. So, let me see one of the fell out there. And then this, I know for sure, is the charging cable. I'm going to show you a few projects after I get some of the final information on this drill. There's your charging cable. And I'll find out a little more information in just 1 minute. All right, so I've gotten some more information. This set of drill bits is for metal. It can be used on metal, wood, or plastic. And this one here, because it's got a small pointy tip, this is what can be used on wood. The battery comes out just like that. And in the back is a small area that you can plug in to charge the battery. So that works good. And then this is for variable speeds. You can do speed 1 or 2. And also your pull trigger allows you to choose your speeds. If you want to go slower, you just don't pull as tight. If you notice as I'm pulling this, it's not as loud as a standard drill. That's because it's a brushless drill. That gives it more longevity. It doesn't get overheated, like the body won't get hot as you're doing a lot of work with it. And it gives it better longevity. The different torque settings allow for you to do deeper and more difficult drilling. And also you can easily put your bit in. Let's see. Instead of having to use a shuck to tighten it, you can manually tighten it by putting the adjuster here for reverse or forward into the middle, or you can just use your hand, hold on to it, and that will tighten around the bit there. So I'm going to do a little bit of drilling, and then I'm going to loosen that and take that out. I'm going to drill. I'm going to install a small light in our attic, and I'll let you join me. All right, simple enough. So I have put this drill bit in. So I'm going to use the actual piece here as a template for drilling the holes. So I'll drill a small hole in the wood. Then I'll reverse it out. Another small hole here. Because the bits aren't that, the screws aren't that deep. Okay, so we've got that second one in there, and I guess the lesson there is you got to make sure that you have that drill bit in tight. And you can hear it, have it on high speed. There we go. So now I've got the 3 holes for putting up my mount for the light, and then I'll loosen this drill bit out, pull it out, and then I will loosen this up some more so I can put in this drill bit, the extender. And what's nice is it's magnetized. I like that because then you don't have to deal with everything flip-flopping all over the place. Goes in without any issue at all, which is beautiful. I'm gonna open this door, get some cool air in here. All right, then we'll put the next screw in with the washer. And then we'll put this final screw in with the washer and get this all set to go. I guess that screw was pretty cheap and this drill was pretty powerful because it broke the head off the screw. There we go. But ultimately, that is secure enough to do what we need to do, to just put this light onto here, and voila, I now have a light for my room. Perfect. Very easy with this trusty little drill. Go ahead, put it into your cart. I appreciate this company sending me this drill to give it a try, AVID Power. And I should turn it away from myself. But it's powerful, not overheated, and let me tell you, it's very hot in here. But not overheated at all with the work I just put it through. So go ahead and put it into your cart. You won't be disappointed. And I love the color selection. The pink. It's awesome. Enjoy and get all sorts of projects done with your AVID Power drill.